Hello, Year 6. My name is Mrs. Love, and I'm one of the assistant head teachers at Newman Catholic School. You'll see me around the school coming into lessons, maybe, delivering assemblies. You'll see me on the yard, on duty, and generally just making sure that you're okay. One of my roles is as head of science. There's 6 of us in the team. There's myself, Mrs. Nicol, Mr. Riddick, Mrs. Orton, Miss McGeorge, Mrs. Farrier, and together we deliver you the science curriculum over 7 years. When you get into the 6th form, we offer biology, chemistry and physics and A-level science. And whichever one you choose really depends on what your future holds. Where do you see yourself going and what particularly you want to do. So in Year 7, when you come into school, what we want to do is we want to build on what you've already learned at primary school. And we want to introduce you to new and exciting aspects of science. So in physics, we do things like speed, electricity, we look at energy transfers, and we look at waves in terms of sound and light. In chemistry, we look at solids, liquids and gases, which I know that you'll have looked at the particle models before. We look at separator mixtures, how things react with each other, so mixing metals and acids and seeing what the difference is. And we look at the Earth's structure and how that is made up. In biology, we look at how the body moves, so in terms of the skeleton and the muscles, what we're made up of in terms of cells, how we reproduce, and we do that in terms of plants and animals, and why we vary. So we don't all look exactly the same as each other, and we don't all look exactly the same as our family members. And that's down to genetics and the environment. So we look at that as well. As much as possible, we deliver the science curriculum through practicals, through modelling and through teamwork. We want you to enjoy it, we want you to learn from it, and we want you to be able to confidently handle practical equipment and to be able to explain how different aspects of the world work. For your home learning, I've set you a practical task that I'd like you to have a go at. There's not much that you need to get, and I've tried to find one that doesn't involve you buying lots of different things. So you're going to need a plastic bottle, and if you haven't got one, a glass would work. Wine glasses work really well. Some vegetable oil, some food colouring, and it doesn't matter what colour it is, and some Alka-Seltzer tablets and an adult to help you out. I've attached the worksheet below, and I would like you to have a go and then send me a picture or a video to show how you've got on. Okay, thanks very much for listening. Bye.